Theories of crime causation. 30 definition of terms. Behavioral theory. It concerns with the study of observable behavior rather than unconscious processes. Number 2. Biological perspective. Regarded crime as the product of internal forces. Number 3. Biosocial. Seek to explain the onset of antisocial behavior such as aggression and violence by focusing on physical qualities of offenders. Number 4. Born criminal. Lombroso's theory that some individuals are biologically predisposed to commit crimes. Number 5. Concentric zone theory. This describes how inner city zones differ greatly from those far outside the factory laden city center. Number 6. Conflict perspective. It stresses out the cause of crime is based on economic and political forces. Conformity. Acceptance of societal goals and means to achieve them, preventing crime behavior. Number 8. Deterrence theory focuses on the link between punishment and behavior at both individual and group levels. Number 9. Differential association theory claims that the idea that criminals commit crimes based upon their association and interaction with other people. Number 10. Environmental theory. Study of relationship between the physical environment and criminal behavior. 11. Ethics. The term is gotten from the Greek word ethos, which can mean custom, propensity, character, or manner. Number 12. Family conflict. High levels of domestic conflict and violence can create an environment where children are more likely to develop criminal behaviors. Number 13. Imitation. The act of copying and criminal behaviors observed in others, especially significant others. Number 14. Innovation. The adoption of illegitimate or criminal means to achieve societal goals when legitimate paths are blocked. Number 15. Integrated theory. This theory explains that the interaction of genes with environment that some individuals form the kind of personality to commit crimes. 16. Lifestyle theory. This states that the individual may become crime victims because their lifestyle increase their exposure to criminal offenders. Number 17. Nature theory. First, that the low intelligence is genetically determined and inherited. Number 18. Phrenology. A study that deals with the shape of the head through the examination and measurement of the bones of individual skull. Number 19. Physiognomy deals with the study of facial features and their relation to human behavior. 20. Process perspective. This perspective claims that the crime is product of socialization or interaction of one person to another. Reinforcement. The process of rewarding criminal behavior which increase the likelihood of its repetition. 22. Routine activity theory. This is based on the assumption that crime can be committed by anyone who has the opportunity. 23. Social control theory proposes that people, relationships, commitments, values, norms, and beliefs encourage them not to break the law. 24. Social learning theory. This states that the individuals are not born with an innate ability to act violently, but they learn to be aggressive through their life experience. Social norms. Number 25. A principle of right action binding upon the members of a group and serving to guide, control, or regulates proper and acceptable behavior. 26. Social theory. This theory serves as model or framework for understanding human behavior and forces that form it. Somatotyping theory. This theory relates distinctive body types to personality and characteristics, and relates criminal behavior to the body types. 28. Classical perspective. View crime as product of situational forces, that crime is function of free will and personal choice. 29. Cognitive ability. The mental capacity to reason, plan, problem solve, and think abstractly, which can influence decision making and criminal tendencies. 30. Cognitive theory. This theory focuses on the mental process on how the way people perceive and mentally represents the world around them.